prone L arm raise. This is a great exercise for improving motor control and stabilisation of the scapula by building strength in the rhomboids, rotator cuffs and the mid-trapezius. It's a particularly good exercise if we have a lot of overhead movements in our program: overhead press, pull-ups, Olympic lifting and handstands. The first part of this movement is to set a nice posterior pelvic tilt, the PPT. So we're tucking the pelvis under, we're drawing the belly off the floor, and this is setting the spine in a good position so that the scapula can move across the thoracic spine with ease. The next thing we do is we pull the elbows back and down close to the body, and we rotate the hands so the thumbs point to the ceiling. At the beginning of each repetition, we're trying to retract and depress the scapula, trying to make sure the upper traps are relaxed. So keep the shoulders back and down, pull them towards your back pockets, they're away from your ears. Once the scapula is set, then we can start to lift the arms off the ground with control. We don't want to use momentum here, we want to try to focus on the target muscles and feel them contracting. So lift the arms slowly and focus on the mid-back, trying to pull the scapula together as best you can. If you find this movement difficult due to tightness in the shoulder, we can make the movement easier by performing it on a bench. So lie prone on a bench, set up the same way with a posterior pelvic tilt, and complete the movement in exactly the same manner. When we're prone on the floor, we're working in the end range of motion. So for some people this can be quite weak, and we can be quite limited by tightness in the shoulder. Try not to work to complete fatigue on this exercise. We want to work with perfect form and make sure we're targeting the right muscles. 2 to 3 sets of roughly 8 to 12 repetitions is enough to achieve this.